Are you fed up with the same static avatars representing you online? Well, this video is for you. Fasten your seatbelt and prepare to meet your new virtual representative. Welcome to Debt Busters and welcome to another YouTube video. Today, we will explore the thrilling world of creating an animated talking AI avatar for free. You can now have an excellent personal digital assistant communicating with your online audience. Creating an animated talking AI avatar is not only a fun and innovative way to convey yourself online, but it can also revolutionize your approach to content creation. Don't let a lack of technical knowledge prevent you from creating outstanding videos and earning money on YouTube. Whether a YouTuber, Twitch streamer, or social media influencer, a talking animated AI avatar can elevate your content and help you stand out in a crowded online space. With simple platforms like did.com and reputable synthetic voice providers like ElevenLabs, you can create an animated talking AI avatar in minutes. First, click the link in the description, which will take you to the ElevenLabs website. Make sure you sign up for the free plan because that's what we'll be using. Select an ideal AI voiceover from ElevenLabs, a reputable provider of synthetic voices that sound like real people. Once you've found a voice that fits your personality and style, navigate to the speech synthesis section and copy and paste your script inside the text box. Let's use Adam for our voice and have him do my call to action. Press the generate button and your AI voiceover will be complete within seconds. If you followed along, if should sound something like this.
Before we get too far into it, I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you know someone who's interested in growing their channel and dominating YouTube, then have them subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Just imagine if you had $10,000 more in your bank account every month. Use my link in the description if you'd like to try an absolutely free YouTube course that can grow your channel from $0 to $10,000 in profit on YouTube without showing your face, using your own voice, or making videos at all.
It's that simple. When you're happy with the voice of your script, you can download the MP3 file and use it in your content creation. It's time now to bring your animated talking AI to life now that you have your AI voice and audio file. To begin, go to did.com and sign in. Check out the free trial option and choose the video creation tool. You can then select a pre-made avatar or upload your photo to create a unique and personalized experience. Add your synthetic voice to the video or upload your pre-recorded screenplay using the voiceover generating tool. In this case, we will upload the audio file to the platform if you've used AI voices created by ElevenLabs. Once your script and avatar are in place, click the Generate Video button and you're done. Let's see how it looks.
Before we get too far into it, I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you know someone who's interested in growing their channel and dominating YouTube, then have them subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Just imagine if you had $10,000 more in your bank account every month. Use my link in the description if you'd like to try an absolutely free YouTube course that can grow your channel from $0 to $10,000 in profit on YouTube without showing your face, using your own voice, or making videos at all.
With this simple tool, you can make attractive and entertaining videos that will leave your viewers wanting more. Making a video with an animated talking AI is an exciting and innovative way to increase your online presence and captivate your audience. The process is simple with did.com. Having shown you those simple and easy steps, you can get ready to take your YouTube channel to the next level and start making money. The sky's the limit with the creative tools and strategies we've shown you today. Consider having your own animated talking AI avatar that interacts in real time with your audience. You can build a dedicated audience and monetize your channel with compelling content and a captivating presence. You may be fed up seeing the same old content as everyone else. You can also stand out from the crowd and create truly unique content with the help of an animated talking AI avatar. Consider having a virtual companion who speaks to your audience in your voice, provides intelligent commentary, and adds a personal touch to your videos. You can make money on YouTube while having fun and expressing yourself in new and exciting ways with a little imagination and the correct tools. Now you know about creating an animated talking AI avatar for free. That, however, won't help you if you're interested in knowing whether or not AI-generated videos can be monetized. Watch the video on your screen if you really want to know about AI video monetization. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.